In this part of story time, we're going to look at a book. You can see on our schedule, we've got book. And the book I want to share with you today is called Nocturne, Creatures of the Night by Scott Traer and published by Princeton Architectural Press. This book has lots and lots of pages with amazing pictures of animals. We're not going to read all the pages today, but I wanted to show you a few. Starting with an animal that showed up in other parts of our nocturnal story time. Here is the great horned owl. What do you notice? I can see the yellow eye and the two feather tufts at the top of the owl's head. And this book says that the great horned owl is one of the heaviest kinds of owls there is. They weigh about 3 to 5 pounds. Oh, here is another kind of animal that showed up in another part of Nocturnal Animal Story Time. This is a gray tree frog. I'll bring it even closer so you can see. Check out those bumps on that skin. There's some little bumps up here and some bigger bumps down there. I wonder why that frog has bumps on their skin. Why do you think? Do you have any ideas? If so, you can talk about it with the people who are watching this story time with you. So owls and frogs are animals we have in this part of the world. Now I want to show you a couple pictures of animals that live in a different part of the world. Here is Kangaroo Rat. And the book says that this rat is called a kangaroo rat because it can stand on its back legs and hop like a kangaroo does. I'll bring this even closer. What else do you notice about Kangaroo Rat? I see some fur and tiny little front paws. Oh, check out all those whiskers around Kangaroo Rat's nose. What do you think those whiskers can do? I wonder if in the dark, these whiskers help Kangaroo Rat feel what's in front of its face. Let's see who else is in here. We have Serval. This is a wildcat. And this kind of wildcat lives in Africa. What do you notice about Serval? Serval's got whiskers too. Also really big ears. Why do you think Serval has such big ears? I wonder if those ears help the serval to hear well in the dark where it's hard to see. This book also says that the serval is one of the fastest wildcats. It can run up to 50 miles an hour. It's pretty fast. Okay, one more. This is an animal that lives in Southeast Asia. This is called Pygmy slow loris. Check that creature out. We don't have these here where we live. Look at how much smaller Pygmy slow loris's ears are than that serval we just saw. Ooh, but check out these eyes. Those eyes are so big. Maybe those big eyes help make Pygmy slow loris see well in the dark. What else do you notice about this creature? How you can talk about it with the people watching with you. And grown-ups, you might notice that this isn't the kind of picture books that we often read to small children. There's lots of words, lots of pages, but even though it's written for older children, the pictures are beautiful and we can look at them together and talk together with our children. And talking with kids is one of the main ways that we help them learn how to read. And so you might think about looking around your house and seeing what kind of books you have that you could look at the pictures and talk about together. Well, now our book is done. Do you want to sign that with me? Our book is done. So we're going to take our book and move it to done. Now you could find some other parts of Nocturnal Storytime that are in this playlist, or find any other part of Storytime that you might enjoy. Or you can take a break and come back later. We'll see you soon.